Today, in our episode 2 of Snake Dream series, we are talking about snake chasing you in a dream. What does it mean? Let's find out in this video. If you have a dream and want me to interpret, then please fill the dream interpretation form given in the description below. It's one of the most common nightmares in the world that is the chase. You're running, your legs feel heavy, and no matter how fast you go, the presence is right behind you. Most people wake up and say, I'm just stressed. But in the realm of the spirit, a chase is not about speed, it is about territory. If a snake is chasing you, it means either you are carrying something it wants or you are running from something you are meant to conquer. Today, we are going deeper into what it means when the serpent is on your heels. It's time to stop running. Why does a snake chase? Let's understand that first. In the natural, snake doesn't usually chase humans, they hide. So if a snake is chasing you in a dream, it is a supernatural alert. The Bible shows that the pattern in Amos 5:19, it will be as though a man fled from a lion and a bear met him, or though he went into the house, leaned his hand on the wall, and a snake bit him. This reveals something powerful. The chase is a sign of a cycle. You may have escaped the lion, the loud problems, you may have survived the bear, the heavy problems, but the snake represents what follows you into your private place. It points to unresolved issues, sin, past wounds, family patterns, things you thought you left behind but never dealt with at the root. Now, here is a deeper revelation. Okay, sometimes the snake is not chasing you to destroy you, it is chasing you because you are holding something powerful. In the book of Exodus 4:3 and 4, Moses throws his rod on the ground and it becomes a serpent. He runs from it, but God tells him to turn back, take it by the tail, and it becomes a rod again. Moses ran from the very thing that was meant to be his instrument of deliverance. So, in the same way, the snake chasing you in a dream can represent a calling, an assignment, or a responsibility that looks frightening to your flesh. You may be running from ministry, from a decision, from a difficult conversation, or from something God has already given you authority over. The enemy is not always attacking you, okay? Sometimes he is using your fear to keep you running from your own power. Just a reminder, don't forget to read my book Dream Dictionary, where I have interpreted more than 1000 dreams and symbols, available on Amazon, and the link is given in the description below. Let's get back to the topic. There is another layer to this dream. A chase in a dream can create an atmosphere of anxiety. It drains your spiritual strength. If you stay in a state of fear, you cannot enter a state of faith. Okay? Leviticus 26:36 says, the sound of a shaken leaf will cause them to flee. They will run as though fleeing from a sword, even when no one is pursuing them. Okay? This is what I call shadow chasing. The snake in your dream may not even be a real attack, it can be a fear itself. The enemy creates an illusion, making you run from something that has no real power, just to keep you tired, distracted, and unable to hear the most important thing, the voice of God. So, what is the strategy now? That is very important. You cannot outrun a spirit, you must outposition it. Okay, first stop and ask God, what am I avoiding? This is a most important question. Second, turn around and face it. Don't run. Just like Moses, take it by its tail. What you confront becomes your authority. Third, cover your walk. This is very important. The enemy attacks the heels to stop your progress. Declare that your steps are ordered by the Lord and that where you walk is the holy ground. These declarations will protect you and help you. And don't forget, if you saw this dream, before you sleep for few days, read Psalm 91 and declare over you and your family. God bless you.